Ever imagine flying with marble floors, Italian leather seats, and your own bedroom in the sky? Private jets don't just take you places, they represent the height of luxury and power. Let's explore why flying private is the ultimate status symbol. Private jets make travel seamless, no lines, no waiting, just pure convenience. Inside, everything is customizable, from luxurious seats to private lounges. You fly on your schedule with complete privacy. Models like the Gulfstream G650 are the choice of the wealthy elite, symbolizing power and exclusivity. Owning or chartering one, it's the true mark of living large. This is what it means to fly in style where luxury meets the sky.